Good day everyone! Welcome back na naman sa ating YouTube channel and I hope meron kayong bagong matutunan sa ating topic for today. Ano po? So, I hope na makatulong ito sa inyong schoolworks kasi sa panahon ngayon talagang napakahirap ng pag-aaral natin ngayon, lalo na yung mga modular dyan. Ano po, yung mga walang guidance ng teacher nila. Na umaasa na nagsasagot lamang sa kanilang mga modules na mag-isa sila. Talagang napakahirap po ng ating learning system ngayon. Not naway itong video na ito is makatulong sa inyong pag-aaral. And without further ado, let's get started. So, our topic for today is all about arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, kapag sinabi natin arithmetic sequence, ito yung sequence na kung saan makukuha mo yung next term kapag nag-add ka ng isang number. And this number is called the common difference. Okay? So, for example, meron tayong sequence dito na a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and so on. Okay? So, meron tayong a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4. So, ang sabi, makukuha daw natin yung next term kapag nag-add tayo ng common difference. Meron tayo dito, a sub 1, then a sub 2. Paano natin makukuha si a sub 2? So, add tayo ng common difference dito kay a sub 1. So, a sub 1 plus d. So, makukuha natin si a sub 2 kapag nag-add tayo ng isang common difference sa a sub 1. So, paano naman natin makukuha si a sub 3? Add tayo ng isang common difference sa a sub 2. A sub 2 plus d. Ang a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus d. So, substitute natin a sub 1 plus d, and that is equal to a sub 1 plus 2d. Next naman, a sub 4 is equal to a sub 3 plus d. Okay? Nag-add tayo ng common difference sa a sub 3 para makuha natin sa a sub 4. And a sub 3 is equal to, a sub 1 plus 2d. A sub 1 plus 2d plus d. And that is equal to a sub 1 plus 3d. Okay? So, pwede natin ito magamit sa mga susunod nating lesson. Okay? So, because of this, okay, dito natin na-derive yung ating formula sa arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, ang ating formula sa arithmetic sequence is nalagay a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay, where a sub n, what is the a sub n? So, a sub n natin dito is the nth term. Nth term. Okay, nth term. So, kapag hinahanap natin kung anong term to, what term is this, okay? So, meron tayong clue word na what term. Okay, what term? Ano yung term na yon? Okay? Kasi kapag meron tayong problem solving, minsan kapag nakita nyo tong word na to, alam mo na agad na a sub n yung hahanapin mo. Next, meron tayong a sub 1, which is the first term. Okay, first term yung pinakauna nating term. Ayan, a sub 1 yung pinakauna natin. That is the first term. Meron tayong n, number of terms. Okay, meron tayong kung ilang terms meron doon sa sequence na yon. And meron tayong clue word yan na which term. Which term ba? Tama, which term? Ano po? Aling term? Alin, hindi ano ha? Not what, which term. Okay? So, ito yung meron tayong mamaya sa ating mga problems na makikita natin itong mga clue words na to. Okay? And also letter D. Itong D natin. So, that is the common difference. So, these are the variables na makikita natin sa ating formula ng arithmetic sequence. So, let's try to solve some problems para matuto tayo kung paano mag-solve ng arithmetic sequence. So, I have here, okay, meron tayo dito. Sulat natin. A sub 1 is equal to 5. D is equal to 4. n is equal to 11. And what is a sub n? Okay? So, dito sa sa problem natin ito, ang hinahanap natin is a sub n. Okay? So, write first the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay? So, substitute natin lahat. Ang n natin is 11. So, a sub 11 is equal to a sub 1 natin is 5 plus ang n natin is 11 minus 1 and common difference is 4. Okay, so simplify natin. Sub 11 is equal to 5 plus 10 minus 1 and 10 minus 1. 11 minus 1, that is 10 times 4. Okay, a sub 11 is equal to 5 plus 10 times 4, that is 40. Okay, so ang a sub 11 natin, that is 45. Okay, so another problem, number 2. Another problem natin, so meron tayong a sub 1 equals to 100, d equals negative 8, n is equal to 10, and ang hinahanap natin is a sub n. So, formula ulit. Sulit natin yung formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so a sub n natin is 10. A sub 1 natin is 100 plus, so 10 minus 1 times d is negative 8. Yan, so a sub 10 is equal to 100 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9 times negative 8. So 9 times negative 8, that is negative 72. And a sub 10 is equal to 100 minus 72, that is 28. So, ang a sub 10 natin is 28. Okay? So, isa pang problem tayo. Para mas lalo natin siyang maintindihan. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong a sub 1 is equal to 12. Ang difference natin ay 1/2. And ang n natin is 16. So, hanapin natin ng a sub n. Okay, so formula ulit. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so a sub n natin is 16. A sub 16 is equal to a sub 1 is 12 plus n natin is 16 minus 1 times d, which is 1/2. Okay, so a sub 16 is equal to 12 plus 16 minus 1, that is 15. 15 times 1/2. Okay, so a sub 16 is equal to 12 plus 15 times 1/2, that is 15 over 2. Then, kunin natin yung LCD nila. So, a sub 16 is equal to, LCD is 2. 2 divided by 1 times 12, that is 24. Plus 2 divided by 2, that is 1 times 15, that is 15. So, ang a sub 16 natin, okay, so ang 16th term natin is 24 plus 15, that is 39 over 2. Okay, so let's try naman na mag-try naman tayo ng isang problem solving, okay? Para hindi naman palaging ganito yung given natin, 'di ba? Meron tayong kailangang i-analyze na problem and i-solve natin yung problem na 'yan, okay? So meron tayo ditong dalawang problem. I have here two problems. So find the 10th term. Okay, find the 10th term. So a sub n ulit yung hahanapin natin. Find the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence 12, 15, 18, and 21. So, sulat natin yung mga given. 10th term, so that is n equals 10. And a sub 1 natin is 12. A sub 1 is equal to 12. Difference natin, so makukuha natin yan kapag sinabtract natin yung second term sa first term. So, 15 minus 12, that is 3. And ang hahanapin natin is a sub 10. Okay, so formula muna. A sub n is equal to sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, a sub 10 is equal to, a sub 1 natin is 12. plus n natin is 10 minus 1 times difference is 3. So, a sub 10 is equal to 12 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay, 9 times 3. So, 9 times 3, that is 27. So, 27 plus 12. So, ang a sub 10 natin, that is 39. Okay. So, ang 10th term dito sa sequence na to is 39. Okay. So, kapag in-add natin, kunwari, 12 plus 15, 12 plus 3, 15, plus 3, 18, plus 3, 21, plus 3, and so on, aabot tayo sa 39. Next. So, sabi dito sa problem, Josh spent 150 on August 1, 170 on August 2, 190 on August 3, and so on. How much did Josh spend on August 31? So, ibig sabihin, kada araw gumagastos daw si Josh. So, sa August 1, meron siyang 150 na ginastos. Sa August 2, 170. August 3, 190. And so on. So, ang tanong dito, magkano daw ang ginastos niya noong August 31? Okay? So, meron tayong A sub 1, which is 150. So, ang common difference natin dyan, so 170 minus 150 is 20. And 190 minus 17 is 20. So, ang common difference natin is 20. Okay, so ang n natin, August 31 daw. So, ibig sabihin, sa pang 31. Pang 31 daw, how much did Josh spend? Okay, so ang n natin is 31. And ang a sub 31 natin is unknown. Okay, so formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so a sub n natin is a sub 31. A sub 1 is 150 plus 20 minus 1 times d natin is, n ba? N is 31. Okay, sorry. N is 31 and d is 20. So a sub 31 is equal to 150. 31 minus 1, that is 30 times 20. So a sub 31 is equal to 150 plus 30 times 20, that is 600. Okay, so 150 plus 600. So a sub 31 is 750. Okay, so ang ginastos ni Josh sa August 31 is 750 Okay, so next naman natin is itong problem solving na to. Meron pa bang kasunod? Meron pa. Okay, meron pang kasunod. So, last two na to. So, there are 16 seats in the first row and 80 seats in the last row. If each row has 2 fewer seats than the row behind it, how many rows are there? So, ang given natin, meron na tayong 16 seats sa first row. Sulat natin. Sulat agad natin yung given para hindi tayo malito. A sub 1 is equal to 16. And 80 seats in the last row. So, that is A sub n is equal to 80. Sabi pa dito, if each row has 2 fewer seats than the row behind it, so ibig sabihin yung seat na yon, yung first row, ibig sabihin mas kaunti daw siya ng dalawa kaysa dun sa kasunod niya. So ibig sabihin, ang difference natin is 2. Okay? So, ano ang hinahanap dito? Ang hinahanap dito is n. N pala ang hinahanap dito, akala ko yung d. Okay? So, n ang hinahanap dito. So, let's solve this using the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, a sub n natin is 80 is equal to a sub 1 that is 16 plus n natin is missing minus 1 times d which is 2. Okay, nakakasunod ba? So, next natin, 80 is equal to 16 plus distribute natin si 2 that is 2n minus 2. So, 16 minus 2, that is 14. So, lipat natin sa kabila si 14. So, 80 minus 14 is equal to 2n. So, 80 minus 14, that is 66. Okay, 66 nga. Equals to n, and divided by 2, cancel. So, n is equal to 33. Okay, so next problem naman tayo. This is the last problem natin for this topic. Okay, so the fourth term of an arithmetic sequence is 28 and the 15th term is 105. Find the common difference. Okay, find the common difference. Pero ang pangit naman kapag common difference lang hahanapin natin, dagdagan pa natin. Find the first term. Since this is the last problem, dalawahin na natin. Find the first term. Okay. So, ang given natin dito, meron tayong 4th term and meron tayong 15th term. So, paano natin makukuha yung common difference? Magkalayo yung dalawang term. Kasi nga, 'di ba, kapag kumukuha tayo ng common difference, pinagma-minus lang natin yung magkatabing term. So, paano naman kapag magkalayo yung term natin? Tayong 4 and 15. So, sulat muna natin yung mga given natin. A sub 4 is equal to 28. A sub 15 is equal to 105. Ang missing natin is difference and a sub 1. So, paano makukuha kapag magkalayo yung term? Meron tayong formula dyan na gagamitin. Okay, so d is equal to a sub n minus a sub m all over n minus m. So, ano yung n tsaka m dito? Okay, so n, yung pinakamalayong term, yung nandito sa kanan. And m is yung pinakamalapit na term. Okay, yung nandito sa kaliwa. Okay, so kung isusulat natin sila isa-isa, yung n natin is yung nasa kanan and yung m natin is nasa kaliwa. Okay, so dito sa given natin, a sub 4 and a sub 15. Yung a sub 15 natin yung nasa kanan and a sub 4 natin yung nasa kaliwa. Okay, so kung substitute natin sila dito, d is equal to a sub n natin, so mas mataas si 15, 105 minus a sub n natin, that is 28, all over n natin is 15, minus m natin is 4. So, d is equal to 105 minus 28, that is 77, divided by 15 minus 4, that is 11. So, 77 divided by 11, so ang common difference natin is 7. Okay, so kapag ang given natin is dalawang magkalayong term, pwede natin gamitin tong formula na to. A sub n is equal to a sub m, a sub n minus a sub m divided by n minus m. Okay, so yung n natin, yung mas mataas na term. Okay, yung m naman natin is yung mas mababa. Okay, so wag kayong malito dun sa a sub n tapos n natin, ha. Yung n natin is yung nasa baba. And yung a sub n natin is itong nasa kabila. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung common difference. Next naman natin kunin is yung first term. So, since first term naman yung nahanap natin, pwede na natin gamitin tong formula na to. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng kahit na alin dito sa dalawa. Pero mas maganda kung mas mababa na lang gamitin natin since mas malapit siya dun sa a sub 1. Okay, so a sub n natin is a sub 4 which is 28. A sub 1, missing siya, plus n natin is 4. Minus 1 times yung d natin na nakuha. So, that is 7. Okay, so 28 is equal to a sub 1 plus 4 minus 7, 4 minus 7, 4 minus 1, that is 3 times 7. Okay, so 28 is equal to a sub 1 plus 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, so lipat natin. A sub 1 is equal to 28 minus 21. Okay, so nilipat lang natin ito sa kabila, then pinagbaligtad lang natin, parehas lang din naman sila. Okay, so 28 minus 21. Okay, so a sub 1 natin is 7. So that is our final answer. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope makatulong ito sa inyong studies, and I hope na pumasa kayo sa inyong mga exams and quizzes. Okay, so keep safe, God bless, and ano nga ba yan? Nakalimutan ko to. Ano ba yan? God bless, and see you on our next video tutorial. Bye-bye!